Did you know one of the best link building strategies is to study where your competitors are getting their links? You can uncover tons of opportunities that you would have never thought of. Hi everyone, I'm Tariehk, and I'll be breaking down this important strategy in this video so that you can find more link building opportunities for your business. The key strategy is to organize your keywords with a tool called Stackby. You can use the free version of this tool by going to stackby.com, then click on the pricing link, and then under this free option here, you have this sign up button. I've already signed up, and we're going to go through the tool in 1 second, but the reason that you want to organize your keywords with Stackby is because it has a feature that allows you to filter your keywords so that you can prioritize the best keywords and therefore increase your website traffic. Let's take a look at how I do it. I've loaded my keywords into my account and I've created a stack. For this video walkthrough, we will assume we own a site that sells drum equipment. So all of my keywords listed here have something to do with selling drums. First, let's review the keywords in the stack and let's review the data that I'm storing for each of these keywords. So let's review the data. So the first thing you'll see is if you click on that icon, it'll open up the keyword and allow you to be able to edit that keyword now. The first thing I have here is the keyword that I'm tracking. The next thing I have is a notes column. So any notes that I want to have about this particular keyword, I can add it here. Then I'm tracking when am I going to work on this particular keyword. If I'm going to work on it, let's see the options I have. I have now, in 2 weeks, in 1 month, in 3 months, or never. Then, whenever you work on a particular keyword, there's different things that you want to do to make that keyword rank better in Google. For example, you want to do on-page optimization at that particular page for that particular keyword. You want to create silos. You want to do some internal linking. You want to have outbound links, have other people to link to that page that's ranking for the keyword. And then I have down here the AccuRanker. I use AccuRanker and Nozzle to track what's going on with my particular keywords. Then I have a website link. So this particular keyword is ranking on this particular website, and I store that here. And there's a tracking program called Nozzle, and they allow me to easily bring up that keyword with the link, so I store that link here. Also, I measure different matrix for this particular keyword using Ahrefs, and I can easily bring up this particular keyword in Ahrefs, so I store that link right here. And within Ahrefs, you can go and you can receive different matrix about this particular keyword. For example, you can see, okay, how's it ranking? You can see the traffic that is bringing you, the volume, the keyword difficulty, the cost per click. You can see all of that within Ahrefs. And I'm storing all that here, but I have a link too. If I want to bring up this particular keyword in Ahrefs, I can do that by clicking this link. And then I click on, and then I have information about who is working on this particular keyword. We've gone through that. And the other thing I have here is what type of keyword is it? Is it a keyword that's going to generate money for my business, or a different type of keyword is what we call an info keyword? And info keywords is for people who are kind of at the top of the funnel. They haven't yet decided. They're just kind of getting more information. But these particular keywords are important because you can usually get a lot of traffic to your site from info keywords because they're very broad. So here I'm tracking, is this a money keyword for my site or is it an info keyword for my site? And then once I add it to Stackby, it's automatically going to put in there the date that I added that particular keyword. So that's automatically put in there. As I'm working on this keyword, I can add my comments here about what's going on with that particular keyword if I want to. So now let's look at, let's see, do I have it? Okay, let's look at the power of why we would even use Stackby. For one, it allows you to filter your keywords. So say you have 1,000 keywords. For this example, I just have 12 listed here. But say there's 1,000 keywords listed. I'm not going to know which one to work on. What you want to do is you want to work on keywords that are high in search volume and also keywords that are currently generating traffic for you right now. And so that's why we're storing all of this information. So what I can do is I can set up a filter, and that's where the power of Stackby comes in, because you can use a spreadsheet to do this, but Stackby allows you to easily do it. In addition, you're able to take specific notes about keywords within Stackby. So you can track everything you're doing in Stackby as you work on these particular items that is important to increase your how you're doing with the keyword. As you work on these items and you finish it, you can just simply click this option and it'll make it delete. See, watch this, because I've already worked on it, so I now don't need to do that with this particular keyword. But now let's look at some of the filters, because I want to now know, okay, the keywords that are sending me at least 50, sending me a traffic of at least 50 hits a month, and that maybe have a search volume of over 50. So I can easily go here. I can say, okay, I want to see keywords that are sending me traffic of at least 50. So I can say greater than 50. And I can add another filter, and I can say where the volume, the search volume, the Google search volume is 50. Well, I guess it's none. Okay, it's not equal to 50. We'll say it's greater than 50. Okay, so I know these should be my priority keywords that I should focus on. And so you see, by having all of this information here, you can easily see what you should be focused on now. And then another cool feature, I'm going to get rid of this for now, of Stackby, is it allows you to create a pipeline view of your data. And within this pipeline view, you can have it categorized a number of different ways, but I've done it by a status here now. And so then I'm able to easily see, once I decide, I can see, okay, what are the keywords I'm working on now, in case I just need to know. And then as I work on those keywords, I can easily move them to say, or if I decide, okay, this one I'm done with, I can have a done column. But say if I had a bunch of keywords listed and then I want to move it to a different column, or if I decided to go ahead and start working on some of these, I can easily move it. So it allows you to view your data with these pipelines, and you can customize these pipelines. I've customized this one for the status, so I can view my keywords based on the status. But I could have picked any other criteria to customize my pipeline. I just chose status. And so it's just another view of your data. And that, again, is very powerful, and why I recommend you use Stackby to organize your keywords. Thank you for taking time to learn more about this awesome digital marketing strategy. If you found value in this video and used the strategy, let me know how you implemented it and what type of increase in traffic or sales you saw for your business by leaving a comment below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification below so that you are alerted every time we release a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.